Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use the Feeds feature for communication in Zoho Project. This is your full guide for 2025, and we're here to make it as simple and effective as possible. Our first step is to log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to communicate. The reason we do this is because feeds are project-specific, so you'll need to pick which project you want to interact with. Next up, look for the Feeds tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and you will be directed to the Feeds interface. This is where all the communication happens. It's designed to work like a social media feed, where you can post updates, comment, and even like posts. This helps us because it centralizes all communication about a project in one easily accessible place. Now that we've done that, let's create a post. Click on the Add Post button at the top of the feed. Write your message in the text box that pops up and click on Post when you're done. Remember, this is a public space within your project, so it's best to keep messages professional and relevant. Posting here allows everyone involved in the project to see your message and respond accordingly. Once your message is posted, you might want to interact with other posts. You can do this by clicking on the comment button under a post or by liking a post. The reason we do this is to encourage interaction and collaboration among team members. Let me explain why this matters. Communication is key in any project. The Feeds feature in Zoho Project allows for real-time communication and keeps everyone updated on the project's progress. Finally, if you want to filter your feed to see specific types of posts, use the Filter By drop-down menu at the top of the feed. This feature allows you to view only certain types of posts, like your posts, posts from specific people, or posts on certain dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The filter helps organize the communication feed, letting you focus on specific threads of conversation without being overwhelmed by all the messages. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the Feeds feature for communication in Zoho Project. Remember, communication is key in project management, and with Zoho Project's Feeds feature, keeping everyone in the loop is a breeze. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.